Hello everyone, today we will be making this complex sketch using SolidWorks. Let's go, select the plane, go to sketch, and first we will use a center line as usual to make everything align perfectly. Let's go, and this has been done. Now we will sketch the center circle, so let's go. Okay, this has been done. Now what we will do is that we will select the center point slot. Let's go, we'll make this curved slot. Okay, now we will define like the radius. Okay, this is done. So after this, let's again make center line and connect these 3 points. Okay, done with this. This part is done now. So let's go again, one more center line, and similarly we will make one more V. As you can see, we need this to make. Now we will add 2 circles, as you can see at the end. And after this, one more overlapping. Now this part is ready. So let's go, we will make one more circle. As you can see, we need one more bigger circle. So let's go. And then what we need is that we will be needing 2 more circles here. Okay, this is done. Now for this curve, 2 more circles, and just follow me and we will make the sketch. Pretty simple. Now we need to define everything. So this is of 10 unit diameter. This is 30 degree. Similarly this, it is also 30 degree. Now this part is defined now. So now this is going to be of 32. And now this has been done. So let's go. We need to define this 10, and this is going to be a 15, 10, and 15 as usual. Okay, done with this. So now this part is done. So now what we have to do is that we will define everything else. That is, this is the radius. So we can see it is 5. Now this has been defined now. This part is 10, as you can see in the sketch. Similarly on the other side also we need to define it is also 10. Now this is done. Okay, the 10 mm is the radius, so diameter is going to be 20. That's why we use 20. For 27 into 2, it is 54. So let's go. Now this is also done. Now what we will do is that now we will define everything. We go to sketch, and we need one more circle here. As you can see, for the unit radius circle, so it is 8 in diameter. We need to define the distance. It is 30. And similarly, okay, let's first pull it out. This one also. So now this part is of 32.9. So let's go. Distance is 32.9. Now what we'll do is that we will use one more center line to align the second half also. Okay, and make it coincident. Now with this, you need to define everything else also. This is going to be a bigger circle, and this is going to be tangent. Now this has been defined, perfectly defined. Okay. So now what we have to do is that you just move it and make these 2 tangent. Okay. So we'll move it and make these 2 tangent. Now we have made these two lines tangent. So now what we will do is that we will use the line to join it and make them tangent also. So let's go now from this circle to the small circle at the center, tangent as usual. Similarly for this also, one more tangent. Okay, we are left with blue lines because they are not perfectly defined yet. So we need to define them perfectly. So make it tangent. Okay. Similarly for this, make it tangent. And now this is done. So what we have to do is that make it also tangent. Okay, here also make it tangent. Okay, now we will make them parallel. Similarly on the other side, we will make them parallel also. Now this has been made parallel. Now what we will do is that we'll just have to remove all the extra parts. But first we need to define which is left. So these are going to be of collinear. Okay, now everything is defined. As you can see, everything else has turned black, means every line has turned back. That means everything is perfectly defined. So we will remove all the extra parts, unnecessary, not needed. Let's go. We will remove, using the trim feature, we will remove all these parts which are not required in our drawing, in our sketch. So let's go remove everything else which is not required there in our sketch. Remove and remove everything that is not needed. This pointed object. Okay, done. As you can see, our sketch is looking perfectly fine now. So that's it. We have made the sketch by removing all the parts here, extra parts. Okay, now done. It has been done. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Okay, bye. Peace out.